welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Becca and I'm super happy you clicked on this video. So currently we are in quarantine and I understand things are quite difficult and pretty strange, so I hope to bring you guys a little bit of positivity to your day by sharing a super easy DIY body scrub you can make while you're at home. So this scrub not only smells super delicious, but it helps you achieve really soft baby-like skin. If you have any other video suggestions, please comment down below and let's just get on with the video. Alright guys, so for this scrub you're going to need some shea butter. I have mine from Marshall's, but you guys can just order it online or get it from Michael's. I also have some soothing aloe lotion, which helps with moisturization and it just gives it a really nice texture. I also have some coconut oil, which is also really great for moisturizing. Some brown sugar, which is a nice light exfoliation. We also have some baby oil, which helps to get super soft baby-like skin. Some vanilla for a nice scent. We also have some essential oils, so I have some from Essence and one from Elia. So first I'm taking a 1/4 cup of shea butter and spooning that in. Then a 1/4 cup of lotion, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of baby oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 5 drops of each essential oil into the mixture. The next step is a bit self-explanatory, but all you gotta do is just mix it up, and you'll notice that there are a few chunks here and there. So what I did was I microwaved it for about 15 seconds until the shea butter started to melt into a more liquid form. And when that happened, I added a bit more brown sugar just to thicken it up. Honestly guys, it smells so delicious and yummy and I really wish I could eat it, but obviously please don't do that. So after you're done, you can put it in a really cute container. So I just put mine in a jar and you're all ready to go. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.